By the time the gazelle has reached its own full speed, the gap is down to 5 meters. In slow motion, it looks effortless. But the cheetah is now using much of his strength just to push through the air. He pulls his legs tight below his body to reduce drag. Now, he is practically flying, getting lift from every bound. But he needs to be careful. There is a time limit on his run. The gazelle's tiny hooves dig into the ground to make extremely sharp turns. The cheetah's extended claws grab hold of the earth to match the gazelle turn for turn. He is burning energy at a prodigious rate and only has seconds left before his reserves are exhausted. Very fast twitch muscle delivers extra power, but only for a short time. This is the kind of knife edge that drives evolution. The gazelle has increased his chances of passing on his genes, while the cheetah will have to search for a meal that is not quite so fast.